Hello everyone. So this is our fourth video on the Scrum Master Interview Question series, and today's question is on Agile Metrics. So here is your fourth question. What metrics have you found useful in your Agile projects? Again, this is a very common question that is asked in Project Manager, Scrum Master, as well as Agile Coach interviews. So before answering this question, let us first understand why do we need metrics? What's the significance of metrics in the project management, agile project management? Uh, why do we require the metrics? So very first thing is metrics provides insights. So if I am a doctor and I am seeing a patient, so there are two options for me. One, I can write a prescription based on what the person is complaining about, what is my initial diagnosis, and based on that, I can write a prescription. Second thing is I can suggest some health report, health test, and once those health reports are available, I can understand what those health parameters are indicating about a person's health. Is there is something wrong? And based on that, I can confirm my diagnosis. On a similar way, the team's data provides insights about team's ways of working. And it's not just a Scrum Master, PM, or Agile coach who needs these set of metrics for a particular team. The very first person or very first thing who needs these metrics is a team itself. So the team needs to understand what the data is telling about their way of working. Where are the problems? What are the things which consistently they have to produce? So this is how we can answer our question. So these are the five metrics that as a Scrum Master I have used in my past project. The very first one is planned versus completed. That means number of stories planned during a sprint as compared to number of stories completed at the end of the sprint. Second one is the velocity trend. What is our average velocity? The number of stories a team can complete uh, based on the average of the sprints. And also what's this particular trend is indicating. Do we see a lot of variations in our velocity? Like in one sprint team is able to complete 40 story points, in another sprint they are able to complete just let's say 10 or 15 story points. So we need to kind of like look a velocity not just as a number, but I mean a trend as a holistic view. Third metric is the cycle time. That means time our teams takes from starting on a work till it is finished. Fourth metric is the lead time. That means time taken by our team when the request is made till it is delivered. And the fifth one, again, very important, number of CI improvements our team is capturing. So how do we know, our team is on a continuous improvement journey? How do we know, they are regularly improving? So we need some data on that. So are we capturing any, improvements as part of the retrospective? So that's all. Thank you so much.